Hey, random people out there on the internet. It's the Mustang Ridgewood Bandit. So I put it out there on my group that I wanted to find another idea of the next project. Haven't heard a lot, so I guess it's up to me to make up my mind what I need to do. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to attempt to build an octagonal game table using all scraps. So let me figure out how I'm going to do that. So I think I figured it out. If you know any geometry, you might know already that an octagon, like a stop sign, has 8 equal sides, and every angle is at 22.5 degrees. If you do all the math, you'll find out that 8 times 22.5 is 180, which is what you need to figure out how to get a perimeter of anything that will make a circular approach. So what I've decided to do, I was going to use my table saw with a sled, but I didn't really want to cut into my sled at 22.5 degrees, so I'm going to try to do this with a miter saw. So this is my miter saw, and what I've done is I've locked down a block here. This represents the overall length of each of the segments for the outside of an octagon. All right, and instead of cutting it flat like you would normally do, I'm going to cut it edgewise. So let's see how that works. Now, to get them to oppose each other, I'm going to flip the stock and slide it up to that stop block, and then I'm going to hit it again. That is one side of the octagon. So we're going to cut a few more, and then we'll take a look and see if it actually works the way I thought it would. Alright, so got my pieces cut for an octagon. I have 8 equal pieces of plywood. And the way this will work is that each of these pieces should line up like this. And there you have it. That is an octagon. Alright, so I'll glue these together, and this is actually going to be the base. It'll come straight up like this several times of the same exact pieces to make a table about 22, 23 inches high. If you've watched any of my videos, you know I don't believe in measuring or being exact with anything. I don't even know the length of these pieces. In any event, looks like I'm gonna have to cut a few more of these. I'm figuring I'll probably need about 8 of these to get it about yay high. And fortunately, I have a bunch of scrap that I'm trying to use up, so we're gonna see how that works out for us. I want to thank you for watching my videos. If you like my videos, subscribe to it. Maybe toss me a thumbs up every once in a while. And if nothing else, I do want to say that I appreciate all your views, and as always, be safe.